Ang panawagan namin, mag-resign na lang silang lahat. Hindi ba? Then that is within the Constitution. Sapagkat dapat makonsensya naman sila na kinakailangan hanguin nila ang bayan sa isang malagim na kinabukasan pag hindi sila magre-resign.
Sir, paano po yung Senate President saka yung Speaker?
Kaya nga, lahat nga sila eh. Panawagan namin mag-resign na silang lahat. Then that would be within the constitutional provision. Nanawagan din kami kay Binay na mag-resign. Si Drilon, si Belmonte, dapat sila mag-resign kung mahal nila ang bayan. Total matagal na sila nagpasasa sa kapangyarihan eh.
Si transitional government, kayo po ba upo?
Hindi. Ito kaming dalawa. Ngayon pa lamang, in spite of the fact that it appears that we're leading this move, kaming dalawa, nangangako kami sa bayan, ni janitor, hindi kami papasok dito sa gobyerno. As a matter of fact, the MAD and the Citizens Crime Watch have suggested that an advisory consultative body be established composed of bishops and interreligious leaders, led by Cardinal Vidal, Archbishop Arguelles, and Archbishop Caballa, and the Muslim imam and other non-Catholic
interfaith
religious leaders, like the El Shaddai, like the Eddie Villanueva group, like the Iglesia. They can form a consultative body to be able to show that we mean business. Because with the outpouring love of the Filipino to Pope Francis in his recent visit, alam na natin ang kalawaan ng Pilipino. Naniniwala sila sa ating mga religious leaders, hindi sa politiko.